Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to format a table in Google Sheet. So let's start to open your Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data. So first simply select the entire data. To select your data, you simply drag with the mouse and you can select your entire data. Second way, select inside the cell and you can use the shortcut key CTRL A to select your entire data. So now here I'm going to add table border. On toolbar, you can see one option borders. Just click on it and click on the first option all borders. And you can see on your data all border is added. Okay. Now, if you want to bold your table heading, just select only the table heading and here the bold option is available. Just click on it and your table heading is bold. If you want to fill color, just click on the fill color option and you can fill here the color. Okay. You can change the text color also. If you want to change text color, here the text color option also available. Select it and choose your color. Here the red color of text is change. Okay. If you want to fill color entire data, again drag with the mouse and select your entire data. So here I select from the below heading and after that click on the fill color. Now I select the one color to fill color in your data. And if you want to change the font style, just click on the font style option. Here you can see on the toolbar, the font style option is available. Just click on this drop down arrow and scroll down and you can select here the different font style. Okay, so I select here the one font style and here you can see the changes. If you want to change font size, you can change here the font size also. Just click on the plus icon to increase the size of your font. After that, the italic option also available if you want your text some italic. So I select here the last column and click on the italic. You can see the italic format here showing. Okay. So these are the some formatting option available in Google Sheet. You can format your table quickly. Okay. If you want to apply the filter, simply select any cell and in toolbar, click on the three dot the right hand side. And here you can see that some more option is available to formatting your table. To create filter, just click on the create filter option and that's it. Okay. To remove filter, again click on the same filter option to remove your filter. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.